In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link in Mailerlite. Before we jump in, here's why this matters. Every marketing email must include an easy way for people to opt out. Mailerlite already places an unsubscribe link in your email footer, but adding an extra link inside your content makes it even easier for subscribers and can reduce spam complaints. Start by signing into your Mailerlite account. On the sign-in page, choose the option to continue with Google, then select your Google account to log in securely. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Head to Campaigns to work on your email. Open your existing draft or create a new one, and click Design Email to enter the editor. Remember, the footer will already include an unsubscribe link automatically. What we're doing here is adding an additional link inside the body of your email, maybe under a paragraph, inside a call to action button, or anywhere you think it makes sense for your readers. Inside the editor, select the exact element you want to make clickable. If it's text, highlight the words you want to use, like unsubscribe from these emails. If it's a button, click the button so its settings appear. Now look for the link option in the editing toolbar, the little chain icon that says Insert Link. Click that to open the link settings. In the URL field, don't paste a website address. Instead, enter the custom variable exactly like this, unsubscribe. This variable tells Mailerlite to generate a unique unsubscribe link for each recipient, directing them to their personal unsubscribe page. It's important to type it exactly as shown, including the curly brackets and the $sign, with no spaces. If you're linking text, make sure the wording is clear and straightforward. Subscribers should instantly understand what the link does. If you're linking a button, label it clearly, for example, unsubscribe. Most email clients ignore options like opening in a new tab, so you can leave advanced settings as default. A couple of quick tips to finish up. Keep your unsubscribe link visible and not hidden behind tiny text or light colors. Clarity builds trust and helps deliverability. After adding the link, use Mailerlite's preview to confirm it appears correctly. If you send yourself a test, remember that test links may not always behave like live campaign links until the campaign is sent. That's it. You've added an in-content unsubscribe link using the unsubscribe variable, while still keeping the required footer link in place. Save your changes, and you're ready to send a compliant, subscriber-friendly campaign.